If you are looking for an awesome end table or nightstand that lights up in 22 different colors, flashes, has light strips, has 2 drawers, super sturdy, has plugs on the top, and charging cords, you are absolutely going to love this. I'm going to tell you everything you need to know about this. So let's get into it. First thing, I'm going to shut the lights off for just a second here so we can kind of see. Going to turn this on right here. This is what it looks like. Super cool right here. There's 22 different color choices you could do. You could dim it down. You can make it solid. They have a demo mode that's going to change it in and out. This is really cool, kind of in like a game room setting. We are in our basement right now, so we really kind of like this going on when we're doing something fun or playing video games or whatever you want to do. You could speed this up if you wanted to. Lots of different options with this, which I personally really like. You could do just a solid color. All the lights are run right into here. So you'll get this, you'll peel off the sticky part on the back, and you can literally stick this here. You can put it down here. You can put it over here. So you kind of put the lights wherever you want, which is really cool. I really like that about it. And again, we have this like simple remote control right here that's going to control all of it. This is 18 by 16 by 22. You do have the 2 outlets over here. And let's go a little closer on the drawers over here. These drawers do pop out. For whatever reason, if you need to take this out, you're just going to lift up just like that. It will pop out just like that. I guess if you want to take both of the drawers out, you could do that as well. And they just slide in. So we have a nice little kind of, I don't know, little storage space here. If you want to put some books or something like that. You also have the 2 outlets right over here. There's 2 outlets here, a USB-C, a USB-A over there. And to kind of get a sense of like what you could fit on here, here's just kind of like an alarm clock. So you want to kind of put this on the side. You can kind of plug it in there. Here's an iPad. Here's a phone. So you can fit a lot of stuff on the top of this right over here, which is nice. I do like that. I was a little concerned it might be a little too small, but when we kind of have these devices, an alarm clock, or we kind of have that down here, it makes it really easy. And then we have the remote control right over here. I like the fact that you have the drawers because you just put whatever you want in there. I kind of cleaned them out for this video. We keep like remotes in there, stuff that we kind of just don't want on our coffee table. So really nice. Like the fact that you could charge, so you could plug 2 things in right back over here. And then you have the USB and the USB-A, so you could charge whatever devices you want. If your iPhone has you have the new iPhone, no problem. You have the USB-C. If you have an older something with the USB, you can plug that in as well, which is really nice. This is what the back looks like over here. If you just want to see that. So this is going to be what's connecting the light strains as well. So you kind of could even probably put something on top of there if you wanted to in the back. But overall, this was easy to put together. You will need a screwdriver to put this together. It does come with some extra pieces and parts as well. So in case, something happens to one of them, don't worry about that. So if you are looking for a great nightstand or end table that lights up in 22 different colors, has light strands where you could place wherever you want, 2 drawers over here, a little spot for books or papers or whatever, and then plenty of top space here for an alarm clock, for a tablet, for a phone. You could put a watch on here, whatever you want to do. Definitely check this out. I hope you found this helpful and that you find the right end table for yourself.